Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS 26 is active and your device is unlocked. This ensures permissions work. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so iCloud syncing can reflect deletions across devices. Next, open Settings and navigate straight to the app whose history you want to remove. For web browsing, use Safari. For messages, check the Messages or Mail settings. This first step sets the context. It prevents partial deletions and makes the following options visible and reliable. You now choose exactly what to delete and why. For Safari, tap Clear History and Website Data and pick a time frame to target recent or all records. For other apps, open their settings inside Settings or the app and select Clear History, Clear Data, or Manage Storage to delete caches and logs. Make sure to check iCloud settings. Disabling or clearing Safari in iCloud deletes synced entries too. Doing this ensures both local files and synced copies are removed, avoiding residual traces. You finish by restarting the device to ensure the system reindexes and removes temporary references. After reboot, verify history is gone in the app and on other devices. If entries reappear, make sure iCloud sync settings are correct and you're signed into the right Apple ID. If a stubborn cache remains, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow iPhone Storage and delete the app's data or offload the app, then reinstall. This final check addresses common causes of incomplete deletions and secures your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.